A cancer drug won its third approval in China this month. Days later, its own label made the case against it. On August 12th, China's regulator approved Ivonescimab with chemotherapy for first-line advanced squamous lung cancer. Summit Therapeutics and Akeso's third approved indication there since 2024. The approval rested on Harmony-6, and that trial earned it. Ivonescimab beat tislelizumab plus chemotherapy on overall survival, median 27.9 months against 23.7, a 34% reduction in the risk of death. No phase 3 in lung cancer had beaten a PD-1 antibody head-to-head on survival before. It went to the plenary session at ASCO in May, the first China-originated therapy ever to get there. Then the regulator posted the label. In it, the progression-free survival benefit from that same trial had degraded. Not a new study. The same one. Read further out. That reading now has company. On April 30th, Harmony-3 missed its interim progression-free survival threshold in the squamous group. Shares fell 26% that day, to $16.12. And Harmony-3 is not the same test. Harmony-6 beat tislelizumab in China. Harmony-3 has to beat Keytruda globally. Leerink pushed its squamous launch estimate from late 2027 out to late 2029, and non-squamous from 2028 to 2030. In the bear case, where the progression-free survival benefit really is degrading, the firm puts the equity near $1. Leerink also calls that scenario unlikely. Meanwhile, the clock is financial. Summit held $690.7 million at the end of June, but $230.8 million of that was stock sold during the quarter, against a quarterly loss of $215.7 million. Approval count is a lagging indicator, and this one is single region. November 14th will not settle it either. That FDA date covers a different indication on a different trial. The number that decides Ivonescimab is Harmony-3's final progression-free survival in squamous disease, due in the second half of this year, against Keytruda. Watch whether the benefit holds as the follow-up gets longer. That is the one variable both datasets have now flagged. The full read is in this week's brief. Subscribe free at thebiointel.com. Signal over noise.